What's up guys, it's your boy Yuguza and today we'll be unboxing and installing a GPU holder with RGB lights on it. So stay tuned and watch. So this is the GPU holder, as you can see. With this you'll be connecting it to a source to have the RGB lights illuminating. What do you get? And of course you get the holder and you get the bracket to hold the GPU. This will push against the GPU to hold it up. Why am I doing that? Well, because the GPU, let me put some light on it, in my system. If you can see it, it's going down on this end. This end here, it's going down. That's why I'll try to take it up again with the GPU holder. So let's see if we can do that. guys, this is how it looks when it's finished. As you can see, the GPU is not hanging down anymore, and it got some LED lights on it, so they're illuminating. That's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please subscribe and follow the channel. So catch you in the next one. Ciao. Peace.